Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to write on a picture on Android. Writing on a picture on Android allows you to add text, notes, or captions easily. This is useful for editing photos, creating content, or sharing messages visually. This guide will show you how to write on a picture using your Android phone. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Photos app. Find and tap the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit button or the pencil icon. Look for the Markup or Draw option. Tap Markup to open editing tools. Tap the text or the T icon. Type the text you want to add to the picture. Tap Done or Save after typing. Drag the text to position it anywhere on the image. Pinch or resize the text to adjust its size. Change the text color if options are available. Tap the check button and tap Save Copy to keep the edited version. Open the saved image to review your changes. Share the edited photo if needed. Tip: you can also use apps like Canva for more advanced text styles and designs. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.